So guys, what we have here is this GBP JPY. By the way, we would want to try and analyze this price. So please, if you've not subscribed, click the subscribe button. You can also like and share. Now take a look at this GBP JPY, starting with the daily time frame for better understanding, right? We can take a look at this movement here on this GBP JPY. There's only one movement we all can see, right? We are on a bearish move. We all know that our GBPJPY is bearish because some negative news that is being released. We kind of have this drop on our GBP, and take that as one. Secondly, is that this GBPJPY is below the 10-period moving average. We all know the rules of trading. Once the price is below 10-period moving average, we have to look for a way to short this price. So price is below 10-period moving average, so we have to short it. But I want you guys to know something. We can see this impulse move down that we had here. A correction was made that came to our 10-period moving average. We had this huge impulse move here, and guess what? We are now on a correction level. So guys, I don't think this correction level is over yet. I still want to believe this correction level will come up to hit our 10-period moving average. If not, come to hit this our period this key level of 160. The reason I say is that, see it this way. If you have to zoom it out, guys, we see that we were once ranging within this area here. The reason why I mark this below here, we will take it as our support, why I take this top as our resistance. So basically, we all know that price is ranging, and we all know that once price actually break below support level, we tend to see that price come out to test that support level. If price is hitting this resistance level, it's hitting the support level, it's hitting the resistance level and support level, and the price eventually breaks below the support level, there's only one movement we all should be aiming for after a breakout of the support level, to come and test the level. Then maybe if it tests the level, then we should be seeing a drop. So this is why I said GBPJPY, we are still on a pullback level. That pullback level will be a bullish move. We would want to see that pullback level come to hit a level of 160, which was our previous support level. And secondly, again, the pullback again, reason number two is that this pullback again should come to our 10-period moving average. Once it tap our 10-period moving average, then we should be looking for a way to drop, right? So that is the two reasons why I said we'll be having a pullback level. So on this daily time frame, the pullback level, notice the pullback level is not over. Let's see if it will be over this week or by next week. But that is it GBPJPY. But we got to try and see where the price will be moving for today. So in order to be able to predict where the price will be moving for today, we are going to follow the rules of trading. The rules of trading says trade what you see and not what you think. So in order to trade what we see, we would have to roll down to the 4-hour time frame, guys. So to take a trade, we will roll down to the 4-hour time frame now. What we clearly can see on this 4-hour time frame is that price is ranging, right? We see that price has also come to this level, right? It's dropped to this level, it came up close to the level, then it dropped again, it pushes up. So we will take this, mark this level again. So we kind of see on our 4-hour time frame, we are ranging. So we all know the rules of trading. Trade what you see and not what you think. So easy thing is range with this GBPJPY. As this price has rejected this resistance level, right, we should see it drop to this support level, guys. So if you want to take this trade, I think take this trade down to this support level, then you can actually now set to go bullish again on GBPJPY. So as at now, kind of see it drop to this support level. And the reason why I said this GBPJPY might drop to this support level is that, let's see our JPY index. We can see this JPY index, right? We kind of had this drop, right? We would want to still see this drop come down, but before that, we had this drop, so we had this pullback. So as this is giving us a bullish move, I feel that this bullish move would have this bullish move to about 84.050. So I would want to see this bullish move to this level of 84.050. So as this JPY index is giving us the bull run, the bullish move, then definitely we should see a drop on our GBPJPY. So guys, another reason again is that this GBPJPY for this day is very much likely to have a drop to this support level. Then once it comes to our support level, then we should see it go long to our resistance level for the day. So GBPJPY, trade it on the 4-hour time frame.